is without you. Too many of my days, Lord, I've tried to spend there, searching for what I know was only found in you. I strayed so far away, I wasn't sure you were still there. But deep in my heart was a faint security, and I could almost feel your open arms and hear you say to me, prodigal son, come back to my love. You are the one that my heart seeks for. Whatever you've done, I cannot even remember. Although there are many in my house, it's still empty without my prodigal son.